Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about a cool tool which I hadn't known about until recently, and that tool is the Flip and Symmetrize tools, which is two tools but both produce similar results. If you want to follow along by picking up the tutorial files, please be sure to check out the VFX Fuel membership over on my Gumroad. Okay, so say you have a model with some asymmetric details, and you want these details to be on the other side. Let's talk about the Flip tool first. As the name suggests, it flips details from one side of the mesh to the other. So I want these details over here. Select the vertices of the details you want to flip, go to Edit Mesh, Flip. At first, not a lot is going to happen, but that's because we need to select an edge for the symmetry. So we want to select the plane we want to flip across. So if I click this middle edge, we can see the details flip. Maya sort of does some magic and looks for the counterpart verts to do the flip to, so if we choose a different flip plane, it's not going to work, as there's nothing similar for Maya to transfer the positions onto. Using this flip tool is nice, as it's not actually flipping the whole model, it's only flipping these specific selected vertices. Right, so moving on to Symmetrize, and it's very similar, but with the difference being that it doesn't flip the detail, it copies it from one side to the other. So let's try that then. Make sure you have the vertices selected, go to Edit Mesh, Symmetrize. Again, the nice thing is it's not mirroring the whole mesh, only the selected detail. Like I said, I didn't know about these tools until recently, but they're quite nice and something worth considering when modeling. Again, the Maya files are available through the VFX Fuel membership on Gumroad if you would like to follow along. Joining the membership not only gives you access to some cool perks, but it also helps the channel out too. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.